Guys, Davido don finally come reveal to us say him and Tiwa Savage dem bin get issue before, dem bin no dey on good terms, guys. Like, to my greatest surprise, because I never knew that these two people sef dey even clash at some point, guys. Like, this is my first time hearing this, and I know say e go be like that for some of una. So for this particular podcast wey be say im at ten d, im come dey review say im first of all sef, as they ask am about him and Tiwa Savage issue, im come say Tiwa Savage na very cool person, say so im come dey recall on how him and Tiwa Savage take start, say im see Tiwa Savage as im big sister, to the ex ten t wey be say dey stay for the same house back then. Say Tiwa Savage, like, they were very very cool, they were very very okay with each other, like they dey do things together. Im come say back then, say Tiwa Savage na very good, like she dey very close to im mama, that is Davido mama, and Davido pikin, that is Imade. So where all the issue with Tiwa Savage come start na that time wey be say im dey go court for the custody of Imade, of im pikin. So at that point, like, im dey expect Tiwa Savage, like, as im good friend, na as im padi padi, person wey be say im see as im sister, to take im side, to get im back. But Tiwa Savage come go dey side with wetin be her name, Sophia Momodu. Say the thing really really pain am, say im no even expect that kind thing, because na im dey close with im children, that is Tiwa Savage pikin and Imade, dem dey very very close. So na im dey expect say make Tiwa Savage get im back, support am, like give am im full support, but she come go dey side person wey be say im dey against, and wey dey try collect im pikin from am. So na that thing na im cause their issue. But like, nevertheless, im still love Tiwa Savage no matter what. Im come still talk say although Tiwa Savage tried reaching out to him after that issue, but im still hope say, but im never see am since then, im never set im eyes on Tiwa Savage at all, but e still hoping that they will amend things. Say Tiwa Savage sef know say im love Tiwa Savage very very well, like he can do anything for Tiwa Savage, he can go to the moon and back for her, like that's how much like that's the level of regard he has for Tiwa Savage. No be small thing o. Say he cannot even let any evil or any bad thing happen to Tiwa Savage at all. Say he's still hoping that they will sort out things, guys. Im come still dey reveal say like say im come dey praise Tiwa Savage, na say she's very very good at what she does, say she's good at the game, at music and all that. Say for Tiwa Savage pikin, that Jamal, say im love Jamal sef like im own pikin. Say Tiwa Savage is a hardworking person, she's a go getter, say she know wetin she want and she dey go for wetin she want. Na im dey, after im talk about Tiwa Savage, dey come ask am say whether im like, as im talk say im love Tiwa Savage, na im the person wey dey ask am question come ask am say whether im like Wizkid. Na im Davido just burst laugh. He come burst laugh say say him just like him, say Davido him himself, say he's just being him. So Davido no even like wetin even catch my attention to this particular part of this interview, na the fact say Davido no speak anything negative about the Wizkid. Whether obviously we know say two of dem no dey in good terms, but im no even come out for this podcast to come say I no like Wizkid, this one Wizkid is that one, Wizkid, or start dey talk the history of wetin Wizkid don do am, or how Wizkid don drag am, or how the things wey Wizkid don do am. No, im just laugh. As im laugh, na im come say say me, I'm just my own I'm just being myself. Say im like im no dey find anybody go, im dey always dey im own, im dey avoid wahala. Say like dis now, say everybody know am, say im be that kind free spirited person, say im no dey carry bad energy around am. Say na if person come, even if person even come for am sef, im go even dey on im own, say na im fans go help am, e show dat im fans go help am finish those people, whoever that person is. Say im no be rebel say im dey always dey on im own. Say some people say, like the way be say im dey always dey open, im always dey free to people to get access to am, guys. No be small thing, and wetin Davido talk na true. Say at some point some people go come dey like im manager and other people wey dey around am go dey tell am say why you go dey allow people to dey talk to am like this, or to dey act towards Davido like this. Say you no know say im be superstar. They go like dey try to remind am say say im be omo babalowo, or say im be this person, im be that one, im get this kind thing, get that kind thing. But im no go even lis ten to wetin dey talk, because he's just being himself. Im no wan go dey act what is not, or because say im be superstar, im come dey carry body, or im go dey kick people children up and down. No, say he's not that kind of person, guys. Like, not to say Davido no reveal for this podcast, guys. Like, I just must love Davido. like he just handled the question in a very demure way, in a very it's just people say if I don't say if Navu Whiskey there, I just dey wonder how Whiskey go take handle that same situation if in the how Whiskey go handle the situation if in dey Davido show or if they answer that kind of question because even and Burna Boy because obviously we know say some of them they no get good blood about themselves but for the fact say na public something e no come out to come badmouth am at all and Davido has never done anything like that. That's one thing I love about Davido and Chioma guys. Omo without any too much talk just tell me what you think about this video about Davido revelation about him and Wizkid and wetin dey call am Tiwa Savage matter guys and I will try my possible best to reply every single one of your comments guys keep them coming don't forget to like share and subscribe if you like wetin we dey do for this channel and if you don subscribe thanks for subscribing no also forget to put on your post notification so that anytime we say we post new video for this channel una go dey among the first people to get notified and I go see una for my next video bye.